How you doing? My name is Cecil. I'm 63 years old and I've been suffering with this smile or somewhat of a smile for the last 4 years. It was too expensive for me to get implants, even to get dentures. They was overcharging me for all the extra work that they had to do. And for 4 years, I've been dealing with my teeth looking like this. I sing in the praise and worship group, and I got beyond to being embarrassed because I always had said to myself, it is what it is. I've seen a Veneers commercial. I've seen the Veneers commercial on Facebook time and time again. I decided finally to go ahead, spend the money, and order them and see if it improved it. So today I got them in the mail. I've tried all the other fake ones that they have with the plastic ones that's supposed to be $12. Never worked for me, never looked good. Sorry. And now I have a smile back. Now I have my smile back. When I first put them in and I heard that click, I've never heard a more satisfying sound in my life. And they clip in, they look good, they fit very well. I've had no problems with them. They really look natural. I've heard a lot of things about veneers. Some of them look too big, some of them look too bright, some of them look fake. I love these. They look natural, they fit natural, and I'm so glad that I invested the money. So if you have any kind of problems with your teeth and you need to get your smile back, because looking in the mirror and seeing yourself like this means a lot for your self-image. Papa and Veneers, thank you so much because I really, really appreciate you having a product like this. Have a great day.